This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial, how to generate the same random number every time you run a program. Before you watch this, it's a good idea to check out the tutorial titled, How to Generate a Random Number in R, because we'll use some of the functions explained in that one. Hey, guess what? Computers cannot actually generate random numbers. Computer scientists have for years struggled with creating algorithms and sophisticated mathematical equations that attempt to make pretty random numbers, but no computer will, in the purest sense of the word, generate 100% flawless, perfectly random numbers. But that's a good thing. Here's why. So I've just opened up R, and I'm going to create a random number between 0 and 1. Now I'm going to create 5 more random numbers between 0 and 1. There's 6 random numbers for you. Now I'm going to hit Alt-WH to lay this out horizontally, and the Windows, hold down Windows and left button. And now I've done the same thing on this side of my screen, and I'm going to run the same random numbers, and, well, look, they're different random numbers. Great, they should be. They're random, right? Well, not necessarily. If I run this function, the set.seed function, set it to 1, and then run 5 random numbers in a row. If I do it over here, set the same seed to 1, and run 5 random numbers in a row, look at that. My random numbers are the exact same between the two instances of R. If I set the seed to 10 over here, and also 10 over here, and run the same 5 random numbers, I'm going to get the same 5 random numbers on both sides. But if I set the seed to something else over here and leave this at 10, well, if I run this and run this, you're going to notice these random numbers are actually different from these now. Think of your seed like a beautiful flowering plant, only instead of a plant, it's a series of beautiful random numbers. This is important because you can reproduce all of your random numbers in the exact same order when you run a program in the future. The default is that R will set the seed by the actual time of day from your clock, but if you want random numbers that you can reproduce later, or you want other people to reproduce them, be sure to set your seed to a number. Pick your favorite number, whatever it is. Setting the seed is critical for reproducibility. If you're not convinced about the importance of reproducibility, check out the tutorial titled How to Add Comments, Save a Script File, and Make Your Work Reproducible in R. This has been a work of R.